How to create an affiliate website on Wix. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. The first thing you will need to do is go onto wix.com and you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you'll do is simply enter your email address and from there you can create a password. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, what I want you to do, you could simply type in affiliate right here. So let's do that real quick. Then you're going to see affiliate marketing portfolio. You can tap on that. Then you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, you're going to enter your website name. So let's say I want to call my website Simple Affiliate. I'm going to do that right here. Then I'll tap on next. After doing that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose the apps that you would like to be available on your website or the plugins that you would like to add. So the first plugin that I would recommend that you add is Blog, as we are going to be writing articles. Then from there you can scroll down and you can see the different options, as you can see right here. Whether you'd like to add forums or forums, you can do that. But since this is an affiliate website, I would recommend that you add anything else. So we are going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Once you have done that, you have two options. You can either choose to create a custom built website by tapping right here, or you can begin with a template. As a beginner, I would recommend that you tap on begin with a template, as by doing that, Wix will show you numerous templates that other persons have used to create successful websites. So you can see the different templates right here. So you can simply scroll down until you find a template of your liking. As you can see, different themes. So you can see the different themes right here. If you don't like any of these, you could simply tap in the top right hand corner. Then in the search bar, you can type in something else. So let's say, for example, blog. I'll type in blog right there. Then scroll down and you can see the different blogs right here, the different blog style. I like these options better. So I will select, for example, this one right here. I'll tap on edit. Now, while the AI is creating your website, what I would recommend you do next is start thinking about the affiliate program that you would like to sign up to. One of the most popular affiliate programs around is Amazon. And with Amazon, you'll be able to sign up quite easily. Again, all you'll need is your website. So you could use your website and you could create an account on Amazon. And from there, you're going to type in Amazon affiliate. And once you have done that, you can sign up. And you can see the Amazon payout structure right here, or their commission. And you can see that their basic commission would be 4%. So for example, if you got someone to purchase a Chromebook or a projector, for example, you'll be getting 4% of anything that they spend. And another reason why Amazon affiliate program is so popular is because of their cookie duration. So for instance, if someone were to tap on your link, then go onto Amazon, but they don't make the purchase same day, they have up to 30 days to make a purchase and you'll still be able to get a commission. And also, they don't have to purchase the product that you recommend. So anything that they purchase on Amazon, you'll still get a commission. Another popular platform that you could also try out their affiliate program, depending on the niche that you're in, is Teachable. Different courses and so on. As Teachable is quite beginner friendly and it is also affordable. By joining the Teachable affiliate program, you can see that you can get commissions of up to 30%. And they also have a 30-day cookie period, just like Amazon. And another popular one is also Audible. Audible, as you may know, is a branch of Amazon. So they offer the same 30-day cookie period. And once someone also taps on your Audible link, if they were to go onto Amazon and make a purchase, you'll still get a commission. But the beautiful thing about Audible is, even if someone were to sign up to their free trial period, you'll still be able to get a commission. As you can see right here, if someone were to sign up to the Audible free trial period, you'll get $5. So even if they do that, you'll get a commission, and for each Audible book that they purchase, you'll get 50 cents. And these are just a few of the affiliate programs that you can explore. There are numerous affiliate programs that you can try out. It all depends on the niche that you're interested in. Now let's go back to Wix. So we are going to go back to Wix right here. So okay, once the page loads up, this is how it will look. And you can pay attention to the left hand menu option. If we were to tap on add elements, this will allow you to add anything you want to your website. For example, if you would like to add an image, a button, anything at all, you can do that by tapping on add elements. Another thing that I also want you to pay attention to from the left hand menu option, to add more pages, all we'll need to do once more, tap on pages and menu. Then we are going to select site menu, and you'll tap on add page. So you'll tap on add page right here. After you have done that, you can select blank page in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on blank page, what I want you to do next is we're going to be using Amazon affiliate program for this example. So I'm going to simply type in just test page, this one. So I'll type in test, then tap on done. After you have done that, you can start adding content to your page. So to add content to your page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on add elements, which is the plus in the top left hand corner. Then you'll hover over text. After you have hovered over text, you can select paragraph, and you can also select titles. So I'm going to select paragraphs, and I'll simply tap and drag and place it right here. Once I've done that, what I'll be using now, so I went onto Google Barn and I simply typed in write an article on the top 3 projectors under $300. So all I'll do is simply copy and paste this section. So to copy it, all you'll do is simply scroll down, and then from there I could tap on the 3 dots, then tap on copy. After I've copied it, I'm going to go back into Wix. And again, you would do more research before adding this, but since this is just a quick tutorial, all I'll do is simply copy and paste the article right here, as I just want to show you how easy it is to use Wix. Then from there, you could change the font size and the font style if you want. You can also adjust how it looks by simply pulling on it, as you can see right here. So let me widen it out a bit more, so it takes up the entire page. Once it has done that and it is to your liking, as you can see right here, you can also pull it down. And then once everything is okay, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Before tapping on publish, I'm going to select preview so that you can see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right here. This is how an article would look. And you can simply tap on publish, or if you'd like to make any more changes, you could go back to editor, as it is quite easy to edit your Wix website. You can delete or add anything you want quite easily. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.